Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to make this Origami Heart, which is probably the easiest one I've ever found. It's super quick to fold, anyone can make it, and the result looks really nice. The only material you need is a square sheet of paper, in any size you prefer. First, let's rotate the paper to this position and fold it in half. Unfold it, then fold it in half again, this time horizontally. Now fold the right edge to the center at the top. To do that, carefully bring the top layer of the paper, like this. And make a crease. Unfold it. Do the same on the other side. So just like before, bring it to the center at the top. And make a crease. With these two creases ready, let's close this little corner. And fold both sides up at the same time. Fold this middle flap to the side. And then, as the final step, fold this corner underneath the center layer. And now we have our heart. As an optional detail, you can also fold these two small corners here. Just adjust the shape a little at the end. And we have a beautiful 3D origami heart. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.